Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the open shell stripe stitch pattern. For this pattern, you'll just need to know how to do a treble crochet. You can check down in the description below for a link on my video of how to do that. So to get started, you want to do multiples of 5 plus 1. For this tutorial, I'm going to do a quick 15 chains plus 1 for a total of 16. Once you have your 16 chains, you want to go ahead and chain 3, and in the 4th chain from the hook, you want to work 2 treble crochets, followed by a chain 2, and working 2 more treble crochets in the same space. Alright, let's chain 2, skip 4, and we're going to repeat what we just did. So 2 treble crochets, followed by a chain 2, which will be followed by 2 treble crochets in the same space, and a cat that's looking for some loving, and apparently my camera was what she wanted to love up on. She's so fluffy. We will experience some technical cat difficulties during this first row, but that's okay, we'll get through it. They just need some loving and attention. So we'll chain 2, skip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the 5th one we will do our same pattern we have been doing. So we will do 2 treble crochets, I'm trying. So 2 treble crochets, there we go. Oh, she's on my yarn, hold on. Ooh. 2 treble crochets followed by a chain 2, and then 2 treble crochets into the same chain spot. And at this point in time, she's just loving everything up so much that she knocks my camera out of focus. So we'll cut that out, but this is how row 1 should look. So row 2 will be our repeat for here and through the whole pattern. So you want to always start by chaining 3, and then we're going to do the same pattern in the chain 2 space below. And it's just going to be a whole bunch of 2s. So we're going to do 2 treble crochets, followed by chaining 2, and working 2 more treble crochets in the same space. Then we are going to chain 2, and in the chain 2 space from the row before, we're going to do it all over again. So 2 treble crochets, followed by a chaining of 2, and 2 more treble crochets in the same space. Then chaining 2, 2 treble crochets in the chain 2 space, chain 2, and 2 treble crochets in the chain 2 space. Now you always want to remember that you always want to start each row by chaining 3 to get you the height you need to start the project's row. And this video has been cat tested, so I guess it's cat approved. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I hope that you have a happy crochet day.